Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You own the bank and at least $5,000 in pocket funds because you'll seed customer deposits. Once done, place the bank next to a main path and connect any required utilities. This reduces pathing delays and increases usage. Next, open the bank interface and enable deposits, set a modest starting balance and an interest rate that won't scare guests. This gets the system online quickly and sets clear parameters for later adjustments. Now you configure the core mechanics. Create account tiers like checking for frequent withdrawals and savings for higher interest, because that guides guest behavior. Then tune deposit and withdrawal limits and place ATMs where foot traffic peaks. This spreads load and prevents long queues. Make sure to link the bank to your park cash ledger and set auto transfer thresholds. For example, trigger transfers at $10,000, so park funds stay balanced automatically while you watch customer patterns. Finish by optimizing settings based on observed metrics. Check deposit versus withdrawal rates, queue times, and net interest income. You'll change interest or fees to nudge behavior. Once tuned, add or remove ATMs to balance traffic and make sure signage directs guests. If things go wrong, first reset the bank UI and reapply settings. If pathing still causes problems, move the bank to a clearer location. Finally, if behavior seems buggy, save and reload the server. This often clears transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.